What does own occupation mean in your disability insurance claim? Hi, I'm Mark Whitehead, founder of Mark Whitehead & Associates, a national disability law firm. The definition section of your disability insurance policy holds all the promises your insurer made to you, plus all the restrictions you've agreed to. The smallest of words in each definition can carry a huge impact on your claim. Policy language can be quite difficult to understand, including your policy's key component. What does it take for you to be totally disabled under your policy? You want to look at three main elements of total disability. What your occupation is. This is your specialty occupation language that may come into play. What criteria do you have to meet to be considered totally disabled from your occupation? What limitations of coverage apply if you decide to go back to work in another occupation? True own occupation coverage is written to protect you against total disability with regards to the specific occupation you were performing at the time you became disabled. Variations of true own occupation coverage exist, each with less protection. The way insurance companies apply these terms vary. Just remember, it isn't the label used that differentiates one total disability definition from another. It's how your insurance carrier wrote your definition of total disability in your policy that matters. A true own occupation definition may read something like this. Because of your injury or illness, you're totally disabled if you're unable to perform the substantial and material duties of your occupation. Another variation of the wording may be, you're unable to perform one or more of the material and substantial duties of your own occupation. Disability benefits may be paid even if you go to work in another occupation, so as long as you're disabled from working in your own occupation. Some individual disability insurance policies sold to doctors and dentists are known as specialty own occupation policies. These further define the insured's full-time duties into medical specialties and subspecialties. For example, a policy's definition of own occupation might be orthopedic surgeon instead of a general physician. If your condition prevents you from doing joint replacement procedures, you'll be considered totally disabled. You would expect to receive full disability benefits even if you continue to work at some other position. For this reason, specialty own occupation policies are marketed as the preferred insurance, as they should protect highly trained professionals from bad faith insurance claim denials. But in reality, that doesn't stop insurers from disallowing claims. Many use negative practices that can harm your case. For example, they may try to reclassify your specialty practice as a generalist in healthcare, cherry-pick evidence to their benefit, aggressively use video surveillance or social media to catch you in an ill-timed moment, or improperly use independent medical exams. Such actions may constitute bad faith when conducted solely to support or devise biased findings that you aren't disabled in your own occupation. For additional information, visit our website at www.disabilitydenials.com or call 281-914-4940 to discuss your particular disability issue. I'm Mark Whitehead. Thanks for watching.